payment method, and I have sent you on your WhatsApp. So here is the part 2, in which I will explain you how to add the categories and add products into your website. So again, we are in our admin section. So firstly we will go to the product which is under the WooCommerce. So firstly we will go into that. So the product is opening, and here is, as you have only one product, so it is showing, and you can simply hide them, or you can make all the changes by clicking on that. And then there is the edit button. So clicking on the edit button, you can change its description, its name. For example, you need to add the new images, so you can add the images here. So by editing that button, you can edit your products. And for adding new products, you just simply go to the create alongside the products. Just simply click on that. So here is the new page open, and from here you can add the product in future. So it's opening now, and I will explain you. Net speed is a little bit slow, so it's taking time, so pardons for that. So from here you can add your products. Let me explain how you add your products here. Firstly, here comes the let me translate the it's translated. So here's the name of here comes the name of the product which you have, just like the previous one. You have the German belt. You can type any name here. Then there is the description of the product here. Then scroll down. Then here you add the categories, pricing. So here's the pricing. You can add sale as well, so you can add the text as well, text details as well. Then scrolling down here, from here you can select the images which will show on your website, also shows to your customers also. And here you can add the short description. And adding categories, in order to add the categories, you can here add the category. For example, in future if you want to add another category, then you can create a category from here, and then add the products, and it will be shown on your website. All these changes will be live, and within few seconds it will be appear on your website. So when you add all these details, then there is a button with the name of publish. When you click on the publish, your product will be live. I hope you will like the video of the product.